Hi there, my name is Christel Hendriks and I'm a physical therapist and yoga teacher from the Netherlands. I am studying anatomy training structure integration and I began my pathway in January 2019 with a body reading course in Amsterdam led by Meredith Stephens. I began close to home, but then from the beginning I was hooked quite badly, and I traveled to Australia to join Karin Gurtner there for Anatomy Training Motion Slings Essentials and Slings Emotion 1, and I loved it. I loved the movement. It was there though that I spoke with Cristy Harper and Julie Hammond about the structural integration hands-on pathway, and I decided to come back the same year, June 2019, for part 1. When you do part 1 in one school with those teachers and with students, I felt that was my place to stay as well. So I came back in January 2020, so actually last January, to do part 2 and joined as well for the summer school there. I am crossing all my phalanges at this moment to be able to join for part 3 in the beginning of 21. Who knows? I have been a physical therapist for about 10 years now. With studying more and learning more, understanding more, I just come to see that the anatomy we have learned, or I've learned in physical therapy school and is in the anatomy atlases, it's not what's underneath the skin. It looks pretty different, and I try to visualize a lot when seeing my clients, my patients, and working with them, trying to visualize how it looks from within, what is actually happening with the tissues, what's happening with the gliding, the different fascial planes. But I come to a point that I really want to see, and my curiosity just grows, my excitement grows, and with curiosity, excitement, but also with a lot of respect to the donor, with excitement that I say I would just love to join this course. And I haven't been able, unfortunately, to register myself. I've been out of work for the last couple of months due to COVID and its effects. So it would be an honor and a privilege to join. The interests I have specifically, I cut down to 29 interest points. Nice superficial cylinder, lateral ribs, side ribs. When we do a side stretch, when we spiral, what happens underneath? How do these tissues glide over each other? How thin is the oblique area, the internal external oblique, but also the lats, for example. I'm really interested in the scalenes, the brachial plexus, omohyoid, the pec minor, front side of the hip. When we do a sit back and curl up, how do these how does it move over the fascia and the hip joint, the compartments in the lower leg? Okay, I'm curious. I just want to say thank you to Anatomy Trains for giving the opportunity for students doing this. Whoever wins, thank you. I wish you all the best, stay safe and stay healthy. Thanks.